What's up, fellas? Scott Elkins for Volt Grooming. I'm here today to talk to you about Volt's new beard balm, the do-it-all beard balm for today's bearded outdoorsman. So why are we outdoors today? Well, we're outdoors today because while I'm a serial entrepreneur during the week, on the weekends, I want to be out here. I want to be hiking, biking, running, swimming, or even surfing like I was doing yesterday in the 38-degree Atlantic Ocean. But all that outdoor activity wears on my beard and wears on my skin. My beard tends to be really coarse, my skin tends to be really dry, and it becomes hard to manage. But I still want to look my best. On a day like this when I'm outside, all you really see is my beard. You don't see my face, you don't see anything else, just my beard. So I want to look and feel my best. So with the Volt Grooming Beard Balm, I can look my best no matter where I am. And it's actually really simple to use, and I'm going to show you how to use it. This is the Outback fragrance, and yes, guys, it's okay to use the word fragrance. This is the Outback fragrance. It's got an exotic smell to it, an outdoor smell to it. It's great. Everybody will love it. You put this can right back in your pocket, rub it in your hands, get it in there nice and good, and then massage it into your face. Don't forget to get that skin under that beard. Get it all in there, and it feels really good and it smells really good. All right, so once it's in there, it's really easy now. All you do is take whatever grooming tool you use. I love the brush, and brush it right into place. The brush goes through so easy now that my skin's moisturized. All Volt grooming products are made with 100% natural ingredients. They look good, they feel good, they smell good, and there you go. From dry skin and an untamed beard to a super clean look.